Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that these three iPads that are showing on your screen, the iPad 2022, the iPad Pro 11 2022, and the iPad Pro 12.9 2022. These three iPads will come with USB Type-C cable, the new generation Apple chip, the M2 Apple chip on these Pro tablets, and I guess this will come with some sort of Apple GPU. I don't know about this iPad 2022, but yeah, for those two iPad 12.9 and iPad Pro 11, these will come with Apple M2 chip, but these will come with USB Type-C cable, which will be amazing, and it will be great by 2023. I get by 2024. Thank you.